In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone a group admin on WhatsApp web or desktop. If you manage a WhatsApp group from your computer and want to share moderation duties, promote a trusted participant to admin in just a few clicks. You'll need to already be an admin of the group, and you should have WhatsApp web open in a browser or the WhatsApp desktop app installed and signed in. The interface is nearly identical on both, so the steps are the same. Start by opening the group chat you want to manage. From your chats list, select the group so the conversation appears on the right. Make sure you're in the correct group, especially if you manage several with similar names, to avoid changing roles in the wrong place. At the top of the chat, click the group name. This opens the Group Info panel, which slides in from the right on most screens. Think of this panel as your control center. It shows the group description, media, and a full list of participants. This is where all membership and role changes happen on desktop. Next, find the participant you want to promote. Move your mouse over their name in the participants list. When you hover, a small down arrow appears on the right side of that row. This arrow is subtle, so if you don't see it immediately, try moving your cursor to the far right of the participant's name. Click that arrow to open a small menu of actions specific to that person. From the menu, choose Make Group Admin. The change is applied instantly. You don't lose your own admin status by doing this, and WhatsApp supports multiple admins in the same group, which is helpful for sharing responsibilities across time zones or workloads. Once promoted, that person can manage membership, adjust group settings, and help keep conversations organized. You'll see an admin label next to their name in the list confirming the update. A few quick tips in case something looks different for you. If the Make Group Admin option doesn't appear, you're likely not an admin of that group, or you may be hovering over your own name, which can't be promoted. Also, if the participants list is long, use the search bar within Group Info to quickly locate the person you want. Finally, a stable internet connection helps ensure the change syncs right away across all devices. And that's it. Open the group, click the group name to access Group Info, hover over the participant, and choose Make Group Admin. Simple, fast, and effective for keeping your community running smoothly from your computer.